This is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter. Today I'll be unboxing this fingerprint scanning lock. You can use this inside outside for travel, personal items, whatever you want. It's all based out of all metal, and it's got a finger scanner. It has fast charging, and it uses micro USB, as you can see there. So here is the lock itself, and it opens that fast. So we'll show that again. It's very fast. It's locked, as you can see. This is metal, and the back is metal as well. So it opened that fast. So once you've scanned your finger and put it in, it just pops open super quick. And you can do this hundreds of times on a single charge. I like it how fast it is, and it's quite a good build quality. The bottom has a cover here for the micro USB port, but it's all metal. And it just touch and click and pop, it's open. And then here is the charging cable. Now we'll do it one more time. Bam, open, super quick. This is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Also find the review for this very soon, and I'll put a link in the video description. Thanks.